Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss a TCS NQT 2026 April 9th shift question. So the question is given an integer array, sort the elements based on their frequency. If two elements are of the same frequency, maintain the order of their first appearance in an array. So we have to just return the index of the given key in the original array. So if there is a invalid input, we have to return the print the invalid input. Just that's it. So we'll go to test case. This is the test case. See, n will be the integer and the a is the array elements and k is the key value of which we have to return the index. See, here the catch is, so we have to sort the original array based on the frequency of the elements. Okay, and we need not to return this sorted array. We just want to return the key key index. Okay, now in the original array, we have the we will be having the key element. Now its index we have to return. We need not to return the sorted array based on its frequencies. So why we need to sort? Just we can directly return based on the by searching now. So here the catch is, internally they will be they would have been testing this original array also, whether it has been sorted based on its frequency or not. So if it doesn't pass that test case, so it will show that that test case has been not passed, like that. So we have to return, and with that we have to sort this array also. Okay, now that is need not to be written. Okay, now so let's I have been explained I will be explaining this thing, how we can solve this in a pictorial format. So let's go. So here I have taken an array elements, whatever I have been mentioned in the Eclipse. So what I will do in this is, I will just take the unique elements from this array. What are the unique elements? That is 201, 202, 203, 204. The two like a set. Okay, now I will not use set, but it's like a set only. Okay, now so after uh, okay, now finding the unique elements, I will put it in one of the array. So, and I will be finding that its respective frequencies also. Okay, now how I will explain the code. So I will be finding the respective frequencies also. 201 frequency is 3, 202 is 3, 203 is also 3, 204 is 1. So what I will do is, I will do this sorting on this array. Okay, now I will do sorting on this array, like a bubble sort or whichever sort I want, I will use. Okay, so I will be doing and sorting on this array. In that logic, what I will do is, I we will be swapping the elements. Now, if for example, if in the code I have taken the bubble sort, so for bubble sort, we will be in the second inner loop. What we will be doing, we will be writing a swapping of that swapping logic now. So I will write the swapping logic for this array also. Inside that second for loop, I will write the swapping logic for this array also. Based on this array, this array will also get sorted. Did this understood? So listen carefully. This is the thing which we have to understand. Okay, now so if we sort based on that 1333. Okay, now if I do like this array will also get sorted based on this array, this array. So I will get the output as 204. This is ascending order, no, 204 first, and this is the, like, it has same frequency, no, same element, so it will not swap. So it will be like a insertion order only, means, sorry, whatever the input elements appear in an array, in the same order it will be. Okay, now there in an array 201, 202, 203. At last what I will do is, I will run a loop, and I will put all these element in one of the list. Okay, what I will do is, 204 is how many times it has been there in the secondary, one time. So one time I will print it in the list, put that element in the list. So three times I will put 201 in that list. Three times again I will put 202 in that list. Three times again I will put 203 in that list. So at last this will be a resultant list. So after getting a resultant list, I will put all that elements in the in this array only. I will put all the elements in this array only again. Okay. So this is the catch. So they will what they will do is they will check. They will not check list. They will check the original array only, whether it has been sorted based on the frequency or not. So we have to do that. That is the main thing. If we find all these things, if you don't put these all elements in the original array, the test case will not pass only. So that is the main thing which we have to do. So in the original array, what is the this thing? Okay, what's the index of the 202? It's 1. So we will just return 1. That's it. Okay. Here also I have done mistake. 1. Now that's it. That is the thing which we have to do. Okay. Now did this understand? If you didn't understand, please go back and again see. Definitely it will get understand. So for let's go to the coding. So here what I have done, I have taken the input. Okay. Now first I have taken the n, again I have taken the array elements, and then I have taken the key element. So what I will do is, so see what I will do is, see, I will take two lists. Okay now, see array. If I want to take a normal array, it is not dynamic. So for the dynamic data, I have taken a list here. Okay now, so what I will do is, see See, instead of taking a set doesn't allow the in this thing. It doesn't maintain the order. So I have taken here the list. So to maintain the order, insertion order. So I have run a loop on the array, on which array? This array. So I have taken, this is the logic to find the unique elements, this condition. Okay now, see what this does is 202. Okay, first it will check whether the 202 is present in the list. If it is not present, it will add in the list. So if it will again check 202, it's there, not there, again add 203, not there, add 203, again it's there, so it will ignore that 203. Okay now, it will ignore. Okay, that I'm just talking about this if condition. Okay now, okay, after, okay now, for example, if 201 now, 201, if it is not there, okay now, okay, not there, it will go, it will enter into this. So if it is not there, it will give false. False of not is true. Again, what count is 0. Again I will run a loop on this array. How many times this 201 is present in this array? That is 3 times, I guess. So that 3 times it will count, and it will add that element. With that element it will add that count also. Okay, that is 3, that for the element 201. Again for 202, again how many times? 3 times. It will count and it will add 202 in the list, and also the count. And that for 303 also same thing. For 204 also the same thing will go on. Okay now, so if 303 first time, it will uh, okay now, it will enter into this if condition. For the second 203, it will not go in this if loop only. It will ignore the, it will think like this element is already present in the list. Okay now, I think you understood this logic. So at last what I will do is, at this thing, so I will be having two lists which with the particular elements, like which I will be having this 201, 202, 203, 204 with this. Okay now, okay now, L1 and L2. So again what I will do is, I will create the two arrays. See, for sorting I can't use list, so that's why I have converted this list to, for comparison and all, I can't compare this and I can swap in the list, no. So to avoid that, I have taken, and again I have taken an array of that L1 and L2 size new arrays. Okay now, again I have put all that L1 elements in R1 and all L2 elements in the R2. Okay now, see R1 and R2, that only I have denoted here. Okay now, so I think you understood this also. See, both will be having the same size only. So if I run L1 dot size, it's of same size only, you know. So that's why I've done only one loop, or else you can take two loops also. It's fine. Okay now, to add R1 elements with the help of L1, and R2 elements with the help of L2. Okay, now you can take two loops also. So let's move to the next thing. See, here I have taken the thing here. It's very important. Please understand this. So here what I have done, I have run a loop on R1. See, I can take here R1 also. There will be no what we call it as no restrictions, or nothing will happen. R1 dot length. Okay, now same array. If you want to start, we'll do this like this one. You know, I have taken there R2 because it has the same size. That's why I have taken R2. It will work for R2 also. It will work for R1 also. See, this is a bubble sort algorithm, bubble sort logic. So what I have done is, see, I have run up to the R1 n minus I minus 1. This is the this thing, okay, now logic for the bubble sort. So I have compared for R2. What is R2? See, this is R2. This is R2. Okay, now I'm sorting based on frequency. I'm sorting the array of frequency. Okay, now I'm comparing the array of frequencies, and I am swapping. Okay, now this also, these elements also based on sorting. Okay, now I'm sorting these elements also. With that, I'm sorting these elements also. Is this correct? See, R2 is this. R1 is, see here, R1. R1 is this array. Okay, now I'm sorting both the arrays. Okay, now see, important. Keep this in your mind. Okay, now you know this bubble sorting. At last, what I will do is I will run a loop on R1. What I have run the loop on R1. This R1. Okay, now R1 elements. I have why to put in a list, a final list. Okay, so that I can put that all list elements into the original array. That's the main thing. So here, okay, now for loop I have run on the R1. The inner loop is to, okay, now run okay, now that frequency times. Okay, now frequency times to add that elements in the list. Okay, so here also I have taken the dynamic list. So after taking a dynamic array, so what I have taken, I have run a loop on R1, and inner loop is on not R2 length. This is not R2 length. This is the thing. R2 of I. See, R2 of I have taken here until the R2 of I, from 0 to R2 of I. So what it will, for first element, what it will do, 204. For it's a one time. Okay, now 0 is less than 1. Okay, 1. So it will enter and it will add that R1 of I, that is 201. For 20, okay, 204, sorry, 20, for 202 not, it will do is, for 204 again it will run three times. Zeroth index, first index, second index. It will run three times. Zero, one time, two. You know, this three elements will be less than uh, three. Na, that's why. Okay, na. So it will add three times that elements in the, like that only it will go on, and it will add this also in this list. At last, what I have done is, there is, okay. See, I'm sorry. At last, see, I haven't added this array elements in the original array. So we have to do that. So I will do here int I is equals to 0, I is less than. See here, I can take n or res dot length or, oh, okay, no, size. Okay, no, it's an a list now. So I is incremented. So at last, what I will do is, I will run. I will do what, a of I. Okay, a of I is equals to res dot get, res dot get of I. See, for your reference, I will print this also. A, okay, for your reference. Okay, so okay, now this is, that's it. See, if they wouldn't ask that to sort that original array in based on the frequency, just this one line was enough. See how big logic, how big catch is there in this code. When I will run this program, so I think I have this element. See, this is, there are n value is 10. These are the array elements, and 202 is the key element. So I will hit enter. See, 204, 201, 201, 202, 202 thrice, 203 is thrice. See, see, this is in the okay, now sorted in the frequency order, and at last the original array. Okay, now I'm sorry. 202 na. Okay, I'm sorry. In this, it's finding in A, no. Oh, sorry guys. See, I'm putting all that elements in that arena. That's why, I guess. Okay, before printing, before doing this thing, I will sort. That's it. No, you can sort now like that. Okay, see, before only you guys have to search that element. I guess Control X. See, before doing any this thing, okay, before putting all that elements in an array, okay, now that list array, first only you have to print that okay now, and then you can write this logic, sorting frequency logic, okay now. So I will run, I will twist, I'm sorry, I will run once again. See, I will put that elements here, enter. See, the original array kth element index is 1. Okay now, first only you guys have to print and then you have to sort. Okay now, it will understand if you run like this. Okay now, before, okay now, putting all that elements in an array, okay now, the original array. Okay now, so you guys first you have to print and then you have to sort. Okay now, so I think you guys understood all this problem. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.